Do you think smoking or vaping is still a big problem in college students?
Or it's become something normal? Well, let's talk about it.
Menurut penelitian Lembaga Demografi Universitas Indonesia, ada 60 juta penduduk Indonesia menjadi perokok aktif. Dari jumlah itu, sekitar 3 juta orang merupakan pelajar. Peningkatannya sejak 2013 mencapai 20,5%.
The
Data
world's
dari
second largest tobacco market after China, Indonesia has become an open-air smoking area. Here, 70% of men smoke, and most begin in China.
Hey guys, before we jump into our interview, let me tell you something that really close to our daily life. Smoking and vaping among college students.
So here's a tip. A lot of people think smoking is another problem. But in reality, around 9 out of 10 smokers start before they ever turn 18.
And now, it's not just about traditional cigarettes anymore.
Vaping is becoming more common, especially among young people.
And even though some think it's safer,
It still is nicotine addiction.
this is especially relevant for us as university students.
For stress, environment, and social influence are really important.
So today,
We're going to explore this issue.
through a student perspective.
Okay, let's start with a simple question. What does smoking or vaping mean to you as a student?
For me, smoking or vaping is a way to run from stress for a short time.
As a student, I think that is a bad habit because smoking or vaping not just cause someone who are the smoker, but people around it can be affected by it. Do you see it more a lifestyle, a habit, or maybe way to cope with stress?
More as a habit is to stop stress.
I think for some people it just cover the stress, but some people it's just lifestyle, just to fit in the group or to seem cool, something like that.
In your environment, is smoking something normal or still considered a concern? In my place or where I live, smoking is normal for boys. For girls, people think it's bad.
In my environment, I think it's normal because from my dad, he's smoker too, and came to my brother, he's smoker too. Yeah, I think it's normal, but that's a bad habit in system.
Do you think students are fully aware of the health risks or do they tend to ignore them? Actually, students know that from school.
I think they just ignore it because we see so many information about how bad the smoking or vaping is, but they still smoking. And I think people around them tell them to, but they still ignore.
From your experience, what are the main reasons students smoking or vaping?
The main reason are friends want to try and to less stress.
For me, I don't smoke, so I don't think I have a reason for that. But beside that, what I see, I think they just trying hard to fit in the group or the circle they want. So they, with the toxic masculinity, so they want to smoke. So smoking, so the people can see them like, oh, they cool to smoking.
Use social media or trends make smoking or vaping look more appealing. Yes, on TikTok and Instagram, vaping has a big smoke and nice flavor, so it looks cool.
Yes, I think it does because some students have a role model like their idol, so they can follow them by seeing in the social media and they think that's it cool, so they just follow it.
In your opinion, what can students do to avoid or reduce smoking habits?
I think they can do some positive activities like reading a book, doing some sports, or maybe another like drawing or making content, playing video games, something like that.
I think students can do things about gym or join school club.
Enough support system, do you think is more important? Friend, campus, or family?
Friends are most important because they see them every day.
Okay.
But schools should have clear rules for help students.
If you call students on practical solution for students, what will it be?
I think they can try just one day to not smoking or vaping, and if they can just continue it. Yeah, that's it.
Do you have one final message for students out there?
First, all the students, I think you guys stop smoking or vaping because it's not good for your health, and it can worsen your future. That's it.
Give your healthy 5 minutes to calm. Stress is normal.
Before we end this video, let's take a moment to think about something. We've seen how smoking and vaping are still common among students today. Even though many of us already know the risk, the habit is still there, influenced by stress, environment, and sometimes just curiosity. The reality is, what feels normal now might not always be good for us in the long run.
A student will at a stage where we build habits that can shape our future. So the question is, are we causing habits that help us grow or ones that might harm us later?
Hopefully, this video can remind us to be more aware and make better choices.
Not just for today, but for our future.
Thank you for watching.